what you're making?
Hmm?
What you're making?
Salmon fish head.
Okay.
So for all of you who thinks that fish head can make a good dinner, just watch what I go on. Alright guys, so you make the season simmer down another pot. Alright. That is it. So see it there? And make sure I make up the gravy because you know fish don't take long to cook in guys, so make sure you prepare all the things and what you want to prepare before you add in the fish. Look at that gravy. Looks so good. We use little ketchup and little barbecue sauce in this gravy, you know. It's time to add the fish. So butter we add too. Alright, so that is it. Put scraping left in at the bottom. So that is it guys. Gravy look good in. Nice, right, that's so. A bit of water to carry up the gravy. That is it. Guys, look there. That's salmon fish head. Nice and seasoned. Look there, man.
Yep.
But the only thing I don't eat it, you know, because me, one I know, I can't take the flesh upon it, so them too soft. Too soft, so I don't eat it. But boy, look good. It look good. Look good, can done. See that guys? Oh, this one is looking so good, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, look at that. Guys, that's what I want. Nice, see?
Butter in it, right? Nice, good.
Yeah, almost done enough. That's a little adobo, guys. A little more flavor.
So I'm telling it's about 6 o'clock and you can come and get it.
That is it. Alright guys, so that is it. We finished with the food and we're going to turn off the stove now. See there? So nice. Look at that. That is it.